In today's video, you will learn how to open Outlook in safe mode to fix Outlook not responding. This simple process is useful when Outlook freezes, crashes, or refuses to respond properly during normal use. Safe mode allows Outlook to start with only the essential components it needs to run, temporarily disabling add-ins and custom settings that may be causing problems. To begin, use a keyboard shortcut that opens a small command window. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This action brings up a Run dialog box, which is designed to let you enter short commands to launch programs or features directly. When this window appears, the cursor is already placed in the text field, ready for input. In this field, type Outlook.exe/safe exactly as shown, without quotation marks. This command tells the system to launch Outlook in safe mode rather than its standard configuration. After entering the command, press Enter to run it. Outlook will then attempt to start using minimal settings and without loading any optional extensions. If Outlook opens successfully and runs smoothly in safe mode, this result is very important. It strongly suggests that the original issue is being caused by an add-in or a customization that loads during normal startup. Safe mode bypasses these elements, which is why Outlook may suddenly feel more stable or responsive. This behavior helps narrow down the source of the problem without changing any settings permanently. This quick check can save a lot of time and frustration, especially when Outlook issues appear without warning. Instead of guessing what went wrong, safe mode gives you a clear signal about whether custom elements are interfering with performance. Once you understand the cause, resolving the issue becomes much more straightforward and controlled. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit us with a like. Thanks for watching.